welcome to Awake TV. So I'm sharing this clip from a December group channeling to show you thank you for supporting me, for me to reaching 500 subscribers. Thank you, especially you guys who are supporting me from beginning of my channel. I really thank you being with me for last 3 years. Thank you so much. So I'm sharing this Christ consciousness energy work with you guys for showing my thank you. I hope you enjoy this. And those of you who are not Christian, you're still gonna get the advantage from this. So I'm gonna work with Christ consciousness, which got nothing to do with the religion. The Christ consciousness is unity consciousness. All of us realizing we are the one, we are the children of the prime creator, regardless of your race, regardless of your religion, regardless of your spiritual development. I'm gonna connect all of you with the Christ consciousness if you wish to. So this will help you to spread the love and the light to all over the world, and will create peaceful 5D planet as we all envision. So I'm connecting with your heart, each one of you, and I'm closing my eyes so I'm seeing your field, each of you. So whenever you are watching this, I'm connected with you regardless of time. So it doesn't have to be live. So I'm connecting with your heart with the Christ consciousness. Christ consciousness is a unity consciousness. This is the mission the Sananda, aka as Jesus, is doing as his mission all over the universes, including now. So we all realize we are the one. So we all will live in peace and harmony and unity, regardless of differences, different planet, different practice such as service to self, service to others, and different dimensions. And we all realize we're the one, and we all go back to the source eventually. Ascension is that's what it is, going back to the source. But we can go back right away. We have to take each steps, and that's what ascension is. And we people on earth are experiencing the ascension from 3D to 5D. What you're watching right now, you're 4.8D. You're not in 3D. And we are shifting to 5D consciousness. And the Christ consciousness will help you to accelerate your ascension journey. So I'm connecting with you with the Christ consciousness frequency of 333. The Trinity, which got nothing to do with religion. Heart consciousness is very important because heart is a gateway to multidimensional universe, multidimensional dimensions, right? When we shift from our heart. Our heart is connected to our consciousness, and that is connecting you and other parallel universe of you. So right now I'm taking a lot of density from your field, the collective density. It's very heavy. I do see them a lot of dense energies. Even right now, today is Christmas, so we are having highest light quadrant of the year, and all of not just Christ energy, but all other galactic forces are showering the light, high frequency light to the universe today, right? From the universe to the earth today. But I still do see very heavy, a lot of them are exhaustion, a lot of them are anxieties. I do see them, so I'm clearing them and throwing all this stuff into our Stargate. And Stargate will transform those energy into the 0 point energies. Okay, I do see the Christ. He is opening his arms really wide, like this, and inviting you to accept the love. Receiving love is very important. Giving love is important too, but receiving is important. So I want you to receive this love from full of your body, and all of your fiber beings and the cells. Receiving love is connected to receiving abundance. And whatever gift you are supposedly receiving from your higher self and your spiritual team are including this gift as well. Okay, done. So this is a part of me expressing thank you for supporting me. And I hope you guys enjoy this segment of the transmission.